What is tension headache? How to tension headache relief? In the modern, high-speed era, stress and tension have seamlessly woven themselves into the fabric of our daily existence. One common manifestation of this is tension headaches. If you're wondering what tension headaches are and how to find relief from them, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss what tension headache is and give some practical tips to relieve the pain and discomfort they cause. What are tension headaches? Tension headaches, also known as stress headaches, are the most prevalent type of headache. Tension headaches are a common ailment affecting millions of people worldwide. They can be debilitating and impact your daily life significantly. Unlike migraines, tension headaches are not usually accompanied by nausea or sensitivity to light and sound. Common symptoms. Common symptoms of tension headaches include 1. Dull, aching pain. Tension headaches typically cause a steady, mild to moderate ache in the head. 2. Pressure sensation. Many people with tension headaches describe a sensation of pressure or tightness around their forehead, temples, or the back of the head. 3. Muscle tenderness. Tension headaches can lead to tenderness in the scalp, neck, and shoulder muscles, often due to prolonged muscle tension. 4. Irritability. These headaches can make individuals feel irritable or on edge, impacting their mood. 5. Difficulty concentrating. Concentrating on tasks may become challenging as a result of the discomfort. 6. Fatigue. Tension headaches can leave individuals feeling fatigued and drained, affecting their overall energy levels. These symptoms may vary in intensity from person to person, but they are characteristic of tension headaches. Causes of tension headaches. 1. Stress and anxiety. 2. Poor posture. 3. Lack of sleep. 4. Eye strain. 5. Dehydration. 6. Caffeine withdrawal. Tension headache relief, your unique guide. 1. Stress unveiled. At the heart of tension headaches lies stress, our relentless adversary. The first step toward relief is understanding and managing stress. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or taking a warm bath into your routine to reduce stress. 2. Posture matters. Poor posture is a silent contributor to tension headaches. Be mindful of your posture, especially during extended periods of sitting. Maintain an ergonomic workspace and take short breaks to stretch your neck and shoulders. 3. Sweet slumber. A good night's sleep is your ally in the battle against tension headaches. To improve your sleep quality, maintain a regular sleep schedule and ensure a comfortable sleeping environment. 4. Screen breaks. In the digital age, screen time is inevitable. But remember to take regular breaks, blink often, and follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. 5. Hydration habits. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Dehydration can trigger tension headaches, so keep a water bottle handy. 6. Gradual caffeine cuts. If you're considering reducing caffeine intake, do it gradually rather than abruptly. Sudden caffeine withdrawal can be a headache trigger. 7. Warm compress magic. When a tension headache strikes, a warm compress applied to your forehead can work wonders in soothing the pain. 8. Stretch it out. Gentle neck and shoulder stretches can help release tension. Incorporate these stretches into your daily routine to prevent headaches. 9. Aromatherapy allies. Essential oils like lavender or peppermint can be your allies in headache relief. Aromatherapy can provide a soothing, calming effect when used appropriately. 10. Lifestyle overhaul. Consider making broader lifestyle changes. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, limited alcohol consumption, and a calming bedtime routine can all contribute to headache prevention. 11. Mind-body harmony. Explore mind-body techniques like yoga and tai chi. These practices promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. 12. When to seek help. While self-care strategies are effective for most tension headaches, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if your headaches become more severe or frequent, or if you experience unusual neurological symptoms. By adopting the correct strategies and self-care methods, you can successfully control and even avoid tension headaches. Don't forget to focus on reducing stress, sustaining a healthy lifestyle, and consulting a healthcare professional when needed.